Yo, what's up, everybody? What's up? What's good? How you guys doing today? I'm somewhat good. I'm a little bit under the weather. But we're about to get into this next episode of Chainsaw Man. We're on episode God, where did I leave off at? We're on episode 7. So last time, if you don't know what happened on episode 6, basically it was the aftermath of that whole thing that happened between Denji and Power. Then we got to meet the new crew, and now they're stuck at a hotel that's apparently won't let them leave until they kill this devil. So the devil turned out to be the Eternity Devil, and then everybody tried to kill Denji. So now it's up to Denji to rescue the team. He jumped down in the hole, and he's going at it with the Eternity Devil. So we're going to get into episode 7, see what happens next. Do me a big favor, hit the like button, also subscribe to the channel for more content, and drop a comment. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. Sorry about the delay on the videos. Like I said, I've been sick lately. I got some nasty ass chest cold. I don't know what it is, but it is very hard to get rid of it. Like, it's fighting. It will not go back, but I'm gonna go ahead and push through this. So we're about to get into this episode. Let's go. Oh yeah, that is right. He did stab my boy Aki. Man, Mom, please go, buddy. I'm busy. Could you leave? I don't know if my cat wants to interrupt me. I'm not trying to do reactions. Oh shit. Oh yeah, he jumped down the hole last time. Dude. Yeah. Thank you. Oh shit. Oh, they're using this OST? Hey, I'm gonna have to make sure I yeah, all of that is about to be muted. It's about to be muted. Hey, this shit hype though. Let's go. Ow! Shit, that shit like it hurt. Oh, wait, his arm reattached itself. Oh, that's kind of crazy. Oh, he's going ape shit right now. Let's go. Dude's going wild down there. Oh. Oh, that is right. He is losing blood. When his chainsaw comes out, he actually loses blood from that shit. Ow. The shoulder. Ah, it's easy for you to say. It's like 1,000 of y'all fighting me. That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna skip the intro because I ain't getting copyrighted. Y'all understand how critical this copyright shit is, boy. These reactions, they will get your ass on the littlest thing. I got copyrighted on my Callisto Protocol because of a stupid ass song. That's in the game. Okay. Ah, you need blood, man. Ah, yo, take a bite out of crime. Ah, yeah. I don't think that tastes like strawberry jam. I don't think it tastes like that. My cat is just freaking messing with me, man. He will not leave me alone. I'm literally trying to do a reaction. He just will not leave me alone. Oh, what did he say? Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. So they scared of crazy ass motherfuckers for real. Yeah, see, they scared of crazy ass dudes. That is true. Ah, okay. So this is interesting. So Denji's out of his mind, so the devils are just pretty much like, yeah, fuck that dude. I don't know what the fuck that guy's gonna do. It's like, dude, you drink on the job like every day. Yeah, he is. He's dead serious about finding that shit. Shit blew away my family, man. I gotta kill it. Oh shit. Okay, so she's freaking out. Oh, she has a thing for Aki. Oh. Aki, you better take her up on that offer, man. Get some booty. What's wrong with you? You tripping? Man, he rejected Himino? Man, you better try to smash that, man. What's wrong with you? This man's, ooh! Oh shit! Hold on. God damn! Oh, I gotta take a look at this again. Holy shit! It knocked the fuck out of him. Damn! Look at this guy's neck. This guy's neck, yo. That's a one-hitter quitter, homie. Look at his neck. His neck is spun completely. Actually, it's spun around like 2 or 3 times. Shit, yo, this Eternity Devil thing is like, yeah, fuck this devil. You know, like when I read this, I didn't realize how dangerous this devil actually was, but this devil was pretty fucking crazy. Down for the count. Ah. Use the ghost devil, okay. Eureka, dude. Perpetual motion machine. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it sounds pretty badass. Oh, now he's talking about the Nobel Prize too? Hey, calm down, girl. Oh, there's literally shit everywhere. Let's see if it worked. Okay. Oh, she look tired as fuck. How long has it been? They're down there crying, boy. He's like, ow! Amina always have these porn faces on, man. Yo, her look, she always got a porn face on, bro. Like, look. They do this shit on purpose, too. Look, y'all cannot tell me this is not a porn face. You can't tell me that's not something you might see on Pornhub. Oh, man. They always draw her in this way. Yo, I see what y'all are doing over there, man, but y'all ain't tricking nobody, bro. Wipe the slob off your chin, girl. Like, what's wrong with you? Oh, wait a minute. She's probably hungry. Yeah, so they are starving. Okay. So that's why she was drooling. All right, my bad. My bad, Kabini. My bad. You're hungry, but you still got porn face on, though. 3 days. So this dude's been out here for 3 days. Oh, damn, it's apologizing. I'm sorry, man. Just kill me, bro. I'm tired of this. This is... Wow, the plan actually worked. He was down there for 3 days killing that thing over and over again. That shit started apologizing. It was like, oh, I'm sorry, man. Please, just, here's my heart, please. You're floating because you're tired as fuck, man. Yeah. Without sleep. This man was fighting 3 days without sleep. Yeah, y'all get out of here. Y'all are useless, bro. Y'all suck. Damn, they already talking about quitting. That one, just that, after that one time. Oh. Oh, okay. They're not afraid. They just feel bad about trying to kill Denji. Okay. Oh, yeah, you did try to kill him, too. Yeah, let's not forget that shit. So they just killed this devil just to get that little ass chunk. Oh, so she's gonna be there. Well, this is gonna be kind of weird. Oh. Oh, she's gonna get reinforcement. Okay. Very sus. She's very suspicious. Hey, Denji, hey. First off, hey, the reason why she's standing there, because Denji got that sauce. He's got that sauce, man. He's got that sauce. That's why all the chicks be on him, man. He like me. Got the sauce, man. Even Hamino's looking at him different. She's like, hey, I ain't never seen nothing like what he turned into. Come by. Oh, boy, the animation on this be slapping. Yo. Okay, Mappa, y'all slowing. Like, hold on. Mappa is showing off, man. I ain't never seen an animation studio draw the sweat of the glass of beer. Like, look at this. They actually drew the condensation on the glass, bro. Like, how did y'all do this? I don't know if this is 3D. It looked like it might. I don't know what that is. I think it might be 3D animation mixed in with it, but it looks good. Like, the way they did this is fucking crazy. Like, crazy artistic, for real. Man, that shit look good. Yeah, I want some. Ooh. Let's go. All right, Power. Power, stop trying to hog all the food, greedy ass. Oh my God, you're back. How's everybody like Kabini so bad? Yeah. Oh, that sounds good, bro. That sounds so good. Oh, all the fried chicken is mine. Like, relax. Look at her. Ryan's like, yo, chick, you need to chill the fuck out. What's wrong with you? Look how he looking. Like, bitch. Yo, she killing that fried chicken though. Oh, this man thinking about that kiss. Hey, girl, where them lips at? What do you mean? I wouldn't be forgiving you. I said you tried to kill me, woman. I'm not about to forgive you. Man, I'm not telling you all that shit. What? I know, right? You asking too. Hey, he sound like an op right now, man. Ask me all these questions. You don't need all that. Why y'all want to know all this? Eating and sleeping. Yeah, it's the same. So it's cool that some devils are really friendly to humans, huh? Kabini 20. It's a secret. Eating tasty things. Oh, God, I know what you can't eat. Eat that food on that plate that you just leaving there. Y'all thought I was gonna say. Thought I was gonna say something perverted. Get out of here. Yeah, he wants that kiss. He's like, I'm not dying until I get that kiss. Yeah. Oh. Wow. You for the streets then, huh? This man don't care though. Hey, I don't blame him. He said she ain't kissed me yet, so she ain't kiss everybody. Them lips. I know, right? Huh? Oh, this is awkward. Oh, what? Oh, you liar. This man, he's sucking the situation. He's like, yo, I want to kiss, but damn, Makima's here. Look, man. Look. This man said, I want a tongue kiss so bad. Gotta try to change the subject. Let's go. Okay. Oh.
最近少し悪魔の動きが怪しいですよ。マキマさんはデンジのこと何か知ってる。
Oh, he getting straight to the point. What you know, Makima? Oh, that ain't happening. When somebody say that, you know that ain't about to happen. Boy, fried chicken and beer, bro. Y'all diet is like off the chain tonight. This man about to die over here. Look, she calm, bro. Get out of here. She's so calm, like she just outdrank everybody. 100. Mine's 120. Is she gonna keep doing that shit? 134. If her car mine is over 500, perhaps 1,000. Bitch, not lying. Uh-oh. What's going on? Ooh. Okay. Oh. All right. Oh, shit. Denji got that kiss. Let's go. Uh-oh. Ooh. Hey, they getting kind of dirty with this. Hey. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey, ain't you, ain't he like 16? Oh! Oh! Yeah! Oh, get out of here! Oh, that's gross! Ah, it's still dripping. It's showing it dripping, bro. Oh, don't you swallow that shit? Ah, he swallowed it. This nasty motherfucker, bro. Well, he did get his kiss though, but that's fucking gross. That's fucking gross. They did blur it out, but just it still being there, you know it was fucking gross. Ah, karma. Ugh. Ugh. God. This man crying, bro. That's man, I feel sorry for you, bro. I feel sorry for you, cuz. Jealous. I know, right? And you're just, yeah, you freak. Arai's a freak, bro. Arai, you fucking freak. He would have loved for Himeno to throw up in his mouth, apparently. Ugh. Drinks so somebody else paid for? Hey, Kabini's growing on me, though. Oh. Walked off somewhere. Oh. Where the hell are you going? Damn, did you pass out from throwing up? Oh. Maybe I guess the barf made him drunk. Ugh. Oh? Oh, Himeno. What are you doing, girl? Hey. Hey, this POV is fire, though. Oh, wait, hold on. Yo, you about to get arrested. Well, you know what? Honestly, if I was Denji, I wouldn't tell nobody. This is way too cute. Hey, girl, you stop it. Hey, stop it, girl. You about to make my chainsaw pop out. So he actually does have like sharp ass teeth. You like a fucking shark. Oh, Denji. Himeno. Hey. Hey, Himeno. Oh, so that's where we're going. Okay. Himeno's about to get arrested. But like I said, if I was Denji, I wouldn't say nothing. I wouldn't say anything. Nobody would ever know. But yo, that's gonna be the end of episode 7 of Chainsaw Man. Episode was actually pretty good. That shit with the barf, the kiss barf. I'm gonna call it the kiss of death. The shit with the kiss of death is fucking disgusting. That made me remember that part. I haven't read Chainsaw Man in a long ass time. So the good thing about this anime is like sometimes I know what's gonna happen and sometimes I don't. So like I like the way they're bringing it back to life. And it's actually when them parts pop up, it's like, oh yeah, this did happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. We're gonna see what's gonna happen on the next episode, probably episode 8. So, you know, I'm gonna holler at you guys later. About to get up out of here. Remember, drop a like, leave a comment, also subscribe to the channel if you're new here. and I hope you guys have a wonderful holidays. Stay bundled up, stay safe, don't get sick like me. This shit's not cool. So I'm out, guys. I'll see you later. Deuces. Boy, Amino, my alcoholic waifu, you better stop before you get arrested, girl.